example 4, we're going to multiply a monomial by a polynomial. 4x cubed times 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. We're going to use distributive property to perform the multiplication. 4x cubed times 3x squared, 12x to the 5th. 4x cubed times negative 5x, negative 20x to the 4th, 3 plus 1. 4x cubed times 7, 28x cubed. Negative 2x cubed times 4x squared plus 2x minus 5. We will use the distributive property to perform the multiplication. Negative 2x cubed times 4x squared, negative 8x to the 5th, negative 2x cubed times 2x, negative 4x to the 3 plus 1 to the 4th, negative 2x cubed times negative 5. A negative times a negative is a positive. Positive 10x cubed. Multiplying polynomials. 4x squared plus 3x times x squared plus 2x minus 3. 4x squared times the whole thing, x squared plus 2x minus 3, plus distribution 3x times the whole thing, x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now 4x squared times x squared will be 4x to the 4th. 4x squared times 2x will be 8x to the 3rd. And 4x squared times negative 3, negative 12x squared. 3x times x squared. 3x to the 1st times x squared will be 3x to the 3rd. 3x to the 1st times 2x to the 1st, 6x to the 2nd, and 3x to the 1st times negative 3, negative 9x. We're going to keep 4x to the 4th, 8x to the 3rd plus 3x to the 3rd, 11x to the 3rd, negative 12x squared plus 6x squared, negative 6x squared. Then we bring down negative 9x. Multiply 5x squared plus 2x times negative 2x squared plus x minus 7. 5x squared times negative 2x squared plus x minus 7, the whole expression, plus 2x times the whole expression, negative 2x squared plus x minus 7. Now we're going to distribute again. 5x squared times negative 2x squared, negative 10x to the 4th. 5x squared times x, 5x cubed. 5x squared times negative 7, negative 35x squared. 2x times negative 2x squared, negative 4x to the 3rd. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times negative 7, negative 14x. Negative 10x to the fourth. Now 5x cubed minus 4x cubed, 1x cubed. Negative 35x squared plus 2x squared, negative 33x squared. Then we bring down negative 14x.